Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we will be seeing 101 South 7th Street, apartment number 3. This apartment is upstairs. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. There we go, sorry about that. Once again, the address 101 South 7th Street, apartment number 3. So there is a front door, entrance door that you would need access to with the key. There's the stairs, and that leads you up to number 3. After going all the steps, we are now on the property. Once again, this is 111 South 7th Street, number 3. This apartment's upstairs, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. We are inside what is the living room and kitchen, which also can be the dining room. You can also add a table, or you can just use this table that you can see right in front as a bar. This door leads us into the bedroom. There's a step. We have a closet. Now I want to show you the bathroom, which is at the other end. This bathroom does not have a bathtub, but it does have a shower, as you can see. We do have a small window in here. I hope this video gave you enough information to proceed. However, that phone number that's listed on the video itself, you can always call 509-314-4477. There are somebody there always, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Si quieren más información sobre esta propiedad, el domicilio es 111 Sur, calle 7, apartamento número 3. Está ubicado en el segundo piso. Tiene un cuarto, un baño. Si quiere más información puede llamar al 509-314-4477. Están disponibles las 24 horas al día, 7 días a la semana. Thank you.